Hey there, Tesla owners. Ready to elevate your driving experience? Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love modern convenience, we've got something exciting for you. Imagine cruising with all your favorite apps at your fingertips without tangled cables. Meet the Tesla Carlinkit wireless CarPlay adapter. This small device seamlessly integrates with your Tesla, giving you wireless access to Apple CarPlay. Simply plug the adapter into your Tesla's USB port, and you're halfway there. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to a clean, organized dashboard. Enjoy apps like Maps, Music, and Messages right on your Tesla's display. The setup is a breeze. Just plug in, pair with your iPhone, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Enjoy a smooth, connected driving experience with fast, reliable performance. The Carlinkit adapter connects automatically every time you get in the car. With Siri voice control, stay focused on the road while enjoying hands-free convenience. Just ask Siri for directions, messages, or calls. It's like having a personal assistant in your car. Upgrade your Tesla with the Carlinkit wireless CarPlay adapter for true wireless freedom. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Tesla tips. Drive safe and enjoy the ride.